Hi everyone, welcome to Ms. Chocolate, where English is sweet and easy.
Today, I want to describe a teacher who truly inspired me and made a big difference in my life. When I was in high school, I had an English teacher named Mr. Sharma. He was from India, and he taught English literature and speaking. At that time, I was not very confident in English. I could manage grammar and vocabulary, but I felt too shy to speak in front of others. Many times, I stayed quiet even when I had the answer. But Mr. Sharma had a very special way of teaching. He created a classroom environment where everyone felt safe and respected. He often told us, "Don't be afraid of mistakes. Be afraid of not trying." Those words really stayed with me and gave me courage. His classes were never boring. Instead of just reading from the book, he included creative activities. For example, he divided the class into groups for debates, role plays, and storytelling. These tasks made us practice English without realizing it, because we were too busy enjoying the fun. I clearly remember one storytelling day. Each student had to come forward and share a short story in English. I was so nervous that I almost forgot my lines. Mr. Sharma looked at me, smiled, and said, "Take your time. You can do this." That encouragement gave me strength. I told my story, and although it was not perfect, my classmates clapped. For the first time, I felt proud of speaking English. That day marked the beginning of my confidence. What also inspired me was Mr. Sharma's passion for teaching. He always came to class with energy and a smile. Even if students were tired, he found a way to make us interested. Sometimes he shared his own struggles as a student, reminding us that learning is a journey for everyone. Beyond English, he also taught values, discipline, kindness, and respect. He treated every student equally and believed everyone had potential. Because of his influence, I joined the English club at school. I practiced more, read aloud, and even helped younger students. When I entered college, I was much more confident in group discussions and presentations. My friends were surprised at how comfortable I was speaking in English, and I knew it was because of him. Later, I also met another inspiring teacher from the Philippines, Ms. Reyes, during an online English workshop. Her teaching style was very different, but equally effective. She used music, games, and even poems to make learning fun. I remember she once asked us to turn a short poem into a song. At first, I thought it was silly, but it turned out to be a great way to remember new words. What impressed me most about Ms. Reyes was her personal connection with students. Even in an online class with many learners, she called our names, gave feedback, and made us feel valued. For me, it was proof that a teacher's kindness and encouragement can reach across distance. Comparing both teachers, I realized that what inspired me most was not only their knowledge, but their attitude. Mr. Sharma gave me courage and discipline, while Ms. Reyes showed me that learning can be enjoyable and creative. They shared patience, enthusiasm, and genuine care for students. In conclusion, Mr. Sharma and Ms. Reyes were more than just teachers. They were mentors and role models who gave me confidence, hope, and motivation. Because of them, I believe education has the power to change lives. Whenever I feel nervous or doubt myself, I remember their words and continue moving forward. Thank you for listening to my description of teachers who inspired me. I hope you also have someone in your life who motivates you to grow and become better.
Thanks for joining me today. Keep learning, keep practicing, and subscribe to Ms. Chocolate for more sweet and inspiring English lessons.